November elections.
I'll follow up with what John has said about all of the focus, or so much of the focus being on Wall Street and the bailout provisions ending too big to fail. When I'm back home in Alaska, and I would suggest, John, that we're even further from Wall Street than you are, and the focus from these community banks, from the credit unions, from those that are making the loans, whether it's for an automobile or for a home, we're saying, well, how is this going to impact us? What is this going to do to the availability of credit? How will it influence or impact our ability as a small community bank to offer consumer products? And as you look to rebuild this country at a time of recession, and we're trying to create jobs and build that wealth, don't tell me that the focus is going to be on adding compliance officers and that's how we're creating jobs. This is not what is going to help our community banks. It's not what is going to help our credit unions and our smaller financial institutions. So they're looking at this and saying, what does this mean for us? And so when we focus on kind of the big picture here, saying we're going to end too big to fail, we've got to fully appreciate the implications for the backbone, really, of our communities, which are community banks, our credit unions, and our smaller financial institutions. Right now, they are worried, and appropriately so. We've got an obligation to make sure that they don't get caught up in this tsunami of regulation and end up being the unintended victims.
Take a couple of questions.